In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome not opening on Windows 2025 guide. If Chrome won't launch or it flashes and disappears, start with a couple of quick fixes. First, restart your computer. A simple reboot clears stuck background tasks and frees up system resources that may be blocking Chrome from starting. After the restart, try opening Chrome again. If that doesn't work, force close any Chrome processes that are running in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for any entries named Google Chrome. Right-click each one and choose End Task until they're all gone. This makes sure nothing left over is preventing a clean launch. Next, try renaming the Chrome executable. Open File Explorer and navigate to C:\program files \Google Chrome application. Find Chrome.exe, right-click it, select Rename, and add a character, for example rename it to Chrome1.exe. You may be asked for administrator permission, choose Continue. Then create a new shortcut to this renamed file, right-click it and send a shortcut to your desktop, and try opening Chrome from that new shortcut. Renaming can bypass certain conflicts where Windows or security software is blocking the original executable name. If Chrome still won't open, move into Advanced Solutions. Run a full malware scan using your security software. Unwanted programs can corrupt settings or hook into your browser, stopping it from launching. Let the scan finish and remove anything suspicious, then test Chrome again. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall to check if it's blocking Chrome. Turn it off briefly, try opening Chrome, and if it launches, re-enable your protection immediately and add Chrome to the antivirus or firewall's exceptions or allowed list so it can run normally. If Chrome opens but crashes right away, clearing browsing data, including cache and cookies, can help. Keep in mind you may not be able to do this if the browser won't stay open, but if you can, removing corrupted cache files often stabilizes things. You can also reset Chrome settings to defaults if you're able to open it. Go to Settings, then Reset Settings, and restore Chrome to its original defaults. This keeps your bookmarks and saved passwords but turns off extensions and resets configuration that might be causing the problem. As a last resort, reinstall Chrome. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, find Google Chrome, and choose Uninstall. Restart your computer afterward. Then use another browser, like Microsoft Edge, to download the latest Chrome from the official website and install it. Once installed, try launching Chrome. If you sign back into your Google account, your data can sync back in.